Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can issue sales invoice or customer invoice on Coconut accounting software. Open Coconut accounting software app on your mobile phone. From here on home section, we have a shortcut or quick link called create an invoice, and it will give us a template to fill in, or it's already dropped us into next section, which is invoices. And from here, to create a new invoice, click on create invoice button. Okay, so now we need to fill in details. So click on that plus button under client details section, and we can add a new client, or we can select the one which we have already issued invoices previously. So to add a new client, click on add new client, type in details, for example, Henry, click add, and add information like client email address, or when you click on plus below, you can also add full details of client's address. Don't forget to click save. So I will add email address so I can send an invoice out from my mobile app. Click save, and client has been selected. Then invoice number would be automatically created by accounting software. Change invoice date, for example, I will issue on 2nd of June. Due date, either immediately or any other date, or you can select a custom. I will leave immediately. And add line items by clicking on plus button, and here you can add a description. For example, I will have service 1. You can either, if you're selling product, you can have a quantities, units changed to hours, weeks, months, and etc. If you don't use specifically units, just deselect or disable that option and add a price. So for example, I will have 150. Click add, and this would add the line item here. So we can preview invoice by clicking on top corner, and this is how invoice will look like. We can save as a draft, that means that invoice will be not sent out, or we can click next, add logo if needed, amend personal details, add bank account, and amend invoice footer. For example, if person pays in cash, bank details is not required, so we can remove this one here. Click next, and if you haven't provided email address, this is where you will need to provide an email address. You can change subject and email details, and click send. So now invoice has been sent. When I'm clicking on Henry, this is how invoice looks like. So in this episode, I showed you how you can issue a customer or sales invoice on Coconut accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete Coconut accounting software tutorial, as well as my personal review. Check it out if you have not seen it yet.